Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. This time we are going to be unboxing another phone. A lot of issues that I was having, not necessarily with the LG that I am using now. I like the LG phone. It plays games really well. It's just it had a little bit of issues connecting to the cell network. I think the cell companies are using their marketing strats and trying to get you to buy a 5G phone. Doesn't really make sense because 5G is not even widely available yet, only in bigger cities. That's a little suspicious of them trying to do that because they are greedy. All they want is the money. Anyways, I did find another service. I like the unlimited plan a little better. It's just I had to get another phone because this one here only works on GSM networks. The one that I found uses Verizon network, but they use the CDMA type of network. Unfortunately, I had to get another phone here, which was a pain in the butt to go through. But yeah, we ended up getting the TCL 20A 5G phone here. And hopefully this will hold out for 10-15 years, and then it'll be time to get a new one. But anyways, it is 6.5 inches. I do not know what this one is. I think this one might be a slight larger, which is always good when you're playing games to have a big screen. It's a 2 gigahertz octa-core 16 megapixel camera, which camera on the phone I'm not real big on. I would actually use an actual camera than a phone. You're going to have your phone on you all the time probably, and so it just makes it easier. It's a 64 gig, 4 gigs of memory. I believe the LG has 6 gigs. I believe it's a Snapdragon 8 processor, which I wanted to get a Snapdragon 8, but all the phones were 200 and above, which is just ridiculous. But this is supposed to be a pretty good phone for gaming as well. So we'll see. Yeah, let's get into this. And the way this is up here, there is a little tab that you pull. Knock everything down. Okay. You pull this tab here, and it opens up like that, and then you just grab a hold of the phone, and there you go. We'll get to that in a minute here. What else? You get the little SIM key. Now you can put the SIM in. You get instruction books. You have USB cable here. It's USB-C. It's not very long cable either. It's a short cable, but... And then you have the power brick, whatever you call these. And that is it. And then there's the phone, which I think might be slightly larger than the LG here. And I love this bags. This is so soft. And there it is. I do have a case and screen protector coming. They haven't got here yet. But yeah, there is the TCL 20A 5G phone here. We'll just go around the sides here. I have noticed that normally the volume and power buttons, you know where they are. This one, The power button is on the left side when it normally is on the right side, and the volume keys are switched. So that's going to get some getting used to, which is very interesting. I think that's what this brand or this phone has the fingerprint reader here, which I like the back. I was looking at the other phones. All they have is the side read, which I don't know how that would work to have it makes it easier on the back. We have the little SIM card, and it has the SD card that you can put in. Is down at the bottom of it. There's the USB port on it. The speakers, it's actually dual speakers there. And then there's the buttons there, volume keys. Not sure what that one is, but we'll find out. We have the headphone jack, which nothing will beat hardwired headphones, network connections. Anything that is hardwired will always be better quality. I know wireless. Yeah, as I was saying, nothing beats hardwired. Wireless and Bluetooth is nice because it keeps things clean and looks nice. And they do sound good, but nothing will beat hardwired. Anyway, so that's good that it has the headphone jack on it. And there's the cameras on the back of it right there. Yeah, pretty cool. And I want to put the case on. I don't want to get the fingerprints all over. That's the thing, is to try and get fingerprints all over it before you get your screen protector on and case on. Okay, we are going to wrap this up because apparently this camera says, I'm done. See you later. Anyways, that's it for that there. Hopefully this is going to work. The LG phone is really good, definitely on Wi-Fi. And with this new service that I have, is supposed to be able to, it's unlimited, but also unlimited hotspots. So even that, I might be able to put the new phone near the window and connect this one so I can play the game. But who knows? Anyways, that's the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and we will see you all in another unboxing of who knows what it will be. Hopefully it will not be another phone for 10, 15 years, because you do not need to buy new devices every few years. If the device or phone works, you do not need to get an upgrade or anything. Only reason that you would need to do that is if you break your phone or it's 15 plus years old, then it's time to upgrade. But if it's not that old and it's good condition, you do not need to spend money. Let's make a trend and turn this greedy world around, which more likely is not going to happen. But yeah, take care of your items and they will last you. I have stuff that would be really old and it still works fine. So yeah, take care of your stuff. It will last you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Update there, I was looking at the instructions here. The one button that is said there's the power button, it is not. It says it is Google Assist button. So the power button is on this side and the volume key is on the same side. So that is good. The power and volume is on the same side. And the one button here is the Google Assist button. It would be nice if they didn't have that button there and just had the two buttons. But anyways, that's a little update there of what those buttons were. It helps when you look at your instruction book.